had to run a couple errands down on Alberta, drop something off for Katrina. She's doing a whole bunch of tattoos today at Point of View. Not sure what I'm doing tonight. I gotta go home and take Pencil out for a walk. Back at home now, just trying to decide if I want to go out at all tonight. I just go to 1905 and check out Noah Simpson, but I also might just binge watch The Watchmen. And then tomorrow, going out to the White Eagle. A friend from San Francisco is playing drums in a band that's playing there.